Just going to show you how to make like a tripwire alarm system you can make yourself easily. I've got like a rape alarm or a personal attack alarm thing. What you do, you pull this pin out and it makes a really loud kind of ringing noise. You need one of those, or definitely one what has the pin that pulls out. And what this has got, let me see it, it's got a little thing here. They come with this in. This is just to stop it going off, so when you use it you pull that out. That just stops the battery being connected. So keep that in until you've set it. 5 screws you need, and a bit of string. The reason I was going to show you this was because I was going to use this down the woods. When I went camping the other day, we stayed down the woods for the weekend, and the woods I go to, there's quite a few paths that run quite near. So I thought I could probably set 4 of these up in like a square around the perimeter while we were sleeping. If anyone came along, tripped these off, I'd know they was there. But in the end it turned out we didn't actually need them because there was no one around at all. So what I'll do, I'll set this up, show you how to do it. You can do it yourself then if you want to. You can also set this up loads of different ways. I'm going to do it on the inside of the door, so that if you imagine someone came into the door, they would then trip the wire. But you could do it inside the door. If the door opened inwards, you could still do exactly the same setup, but as the door opened, it would knock the pin out and set the alarm off. So all I've done is marked 4 holes here. This is just one way of doing it. Right, so now I'm going to place the alarm on top like that, and screw 2 more screws tight down to it. Now you could always do this with a bracket over the front if you wanted to, whatever, but that's held that in place. That's not going to move nowhere. Right. Now what I'm going to do is put a pin, not a pin, put the screw the other side. And all I've done is put a loop through the string and just put the screw through it. And put that to the back of the screw. Which is just an easy way of doing it. At the other end, I'm going to screw this about the same height as what the alarm is. Right, I'll walk through it. I'll close the door, come back in and show you how it goes off. pretty noisy. That'll wake you up. Well, you'd soon hear that if that went off. Worth doing if you wanted to set up some sort of cheap alarm or something. Like I said, £1.50 about for each of them. Bit of string, couple of screws. You could use it in the woods, around your camp. Do it loads of different ways. You could even put that on a door handle, so when you pulled the door handle down it went off. Rig it to a door, so when you push the door it pulled the pin out. Plenty of different ways to do it. Well worth doing if you like that kind of thing. Really simple as well. Just the screwed on there, screwed across, pulls the pin out. Alright, well anyway, cheers for watching and I'll see you later.